Go ahead.
Sorry, the FBI was at my door. So, where did I leave off? I left off, with the production. So, I'm saying in June and July by Michael Oliver, and it's not when, it's why. So, I'm looking at the why. Why is he telling me this is going to happen? That you're going to see spikes in silver, and it's going to go up and down, up and down, up and down. And he's forecasting right now that by July you'll see two, three, $400 silver. Now you can call me a not a fair monger. It doesn't matter. I will. I stick with this guy. I believe what he has to say, which means that if that goes there, then gold is going to be pushing 6,000, and that's July and August. And here's the metric. Here's something to look at that's black and white, and it's not me bullshitting. Nothing is changing. So just think about it. Ever since we went into Iran, everything is kind of, there was a big splash at the beginning. Then it was going to cool off. Then it didn't cool off. Then it was going to cool off and didn't cool off. Well, none of it changed. It hasn't. But here's the key ingredient: everything keeps moving in the same direction. The same direction is bad, and debt is bad. There's a market called a personal loan market, where if you can't get a loan someplace else, you can get a personal loan, and there's all different kinds. And that market is starting to blow up. But the flip side to that market is the people who have been in it for to get personal loans are not paying their bills. So what's happening is you have default on one end, and then you have a flood on the other end. It's going to meet someplace in the middle, and it's all bad, 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 bad. So you can look at the economy. Here's a simple, simple thing to do. Just go to Google, go on the internet, spend an hour in there. You don't have to spend an hour, spend a half an hour in there, and start looking at, for instance, uh, type in the condition in the chip industry. You're going to be shocked. Uh, Condition in the cell phone industry. You're going to be shocked. Condition in the restaurant industry. You're going to be shocked. Condition in the housing market. You're going to be shocked. Now, I talked to some people, and some people are just DUMB. You know what that is? DUMB. They think that, oh, you're just fear mongering. No, I'm reading. God gave me a brain. He gave me it works to a certain capacity, and that's fine enough for me. I've made it this far. But if you read information, you will find out that everything is not rosy, and we're standing in this summertime. And the final thing is just watch what's happening in Iran. Nothing is happening in Iran except it's getting worse.